First, I will listen to you, your questions, sharings, doubts, then lead you into process. Anybody has anything to share, ask, talk, please pick up the mic.
I really want to be active on Facebook to write about you. Please bless me. And
Tatastu.
thank you. And one more thing, I have one more question. One of my Muslim friend asked me this question. If you can drink milk, why don't you eat the meat? எனக்கு அதுக்கு பதில் சொல்ல தெரியல. உங்களுக்கு எனக்கு உதவி செய்ய முடியுமா?
If say milk does not come by killing, meat comes by killing. Don't you see the difference?
Yes, I told her,
Then
but she said it's both blood. So we had a very heated argument.
No. By taking the milk out, are you killing the animal?
No.
By taking the blood out, are you letting the animal alive? That's all. See, in all other this celebrity interviews, the celebrity who is getting interviewed will drink water, sip water, wipe, and that fellow who is interviewing will be keeping quiet. In mine, if you observe thoroughly, I will never touch water. I'll be coolly lying on the couch, and that fellow will be drinking water. Decide not to become powerless.
And
Actually, one of the big media guy in Tamil Nadu, they asked him in an interview, what was your most difficult interview? He said, Nityananda. He said, I have interviewed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I have interviewed all big names. It is Nityananda.
And then Swamiji, உங்களோட ஆத்மமூர்த்தி உங்களை பூஜை பண்றது நான் சவுத் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி வைக்கலாமா?
அது எந்த டைரக்ஷன் வச்சாலும் உட்காந்து பாரு, ஒன்றும் கவலையப்படாதீங்க.
அப்ப நாங்க பேசுறதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு கேட்கணும் எப்பயுமே.
நினைச்சாலே கேட்கும், பேசணும்.
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. நமஸ்கார். Thank you.
நல்லா ஜாக்கிரதையா நினைங்க. Please get the mic and then ask for my attention.
Swamiji?
Yes, which side?
Left side, Swamiji.
No, there is no left side.
Outside.
Let's use the same. No, let's use the same thing. Temples. Go ahead.
She's saying that in the day of the Shiva Diksha, she requested blessings to become vegetarian, but she's still thinking about meat.
I'll heal her. Don't worry. She will not be able to eat. I'll take care.
Okay.
She will not be able to eat.
The same over here.
I'll take care.
Okay. And can we drink on Shivratri bhang?
Actually, bhang is not banned in Agama, but in the modern day, you don't get the original bhang, so be very careful.
Okay.
A lot of this heroin and the drugs are getting mixed in the bhang.
Right.
That is why we don't use bhang.
Okay.
If it is made in home, directly grown, the organic bilva tree, it is basically the bilva tree is the source. That's the source material for the bhang. If it is made organically, homemade, you can have. One thing I can guarantee, it does not disturb your health. If it is homemade and organic.
Okay.
But in the modern day, I am seeing a lot of these drug tablets are being mixed. And heroin powder and all this is getting mixed just to raise the kick, and that danger, avoid it.
Okay.
How many of you saw when I offered Abhishekam to Vishwanatha, some 6-7 green thing I offered? That's bhang only. For Vishwanatha they offer. but that is made inside the temple under the direct controlled conditions where nothing gets mixed.
Nameless side. I don't know what side it is. There is nothing.
Go ahead, you go ahead, it's okay.
Okay, I have
No,
an
let us use the same name.
eager question I have. Since childhood, I always had a very strong connection to India. Always been my dream country. Why?
Maybe in the past you have been here.
Is it possible to find out?
Yes, I can tell you in another session.
Okay, thank you. That-